Hi, and welcome to the Highline Residential Training Series. In this video, you will learn what is the quick search, how to use the quick search to find leads or listings, and how to use the quick search to find documents. The quick search is a tool on the Highline Residential platform that allows you to quickly navigate to a specific listing, lead, training item, or document in the Highline platform without having to navigate through the left menu bar. The quick search is found using the microscope on the upper right hand corner. By clicking the quick search, you'll be able to search for the aforementioned items. To find leads or listings in the quick search, simply put the listing address or the management company name and click on the Smart Search on Listings button. This will take you to the listings database where you can see all listings for Centennial. To find a lead, use a similar process. Provide the lead's first and or last name. Click on the lead name and that will take you to the lead's profile. To find training materials or training documents or forms on the Highline platform, use the quick search and look for the name or the description of the form.